Hello! Today I'm going to work in my travel journal and I'm going to use the Winsor and Newton Inks and the Wing Sung fountain pens. When you buy the Wing Sung fountain pens, you get 4 in a pack, and I happen to have a few Winsor Newton inks, so I chose a different color for each fountain pen, and I'm really excited to be trying out for the first time the violet ink and the brown ink. I also recently purchased this self-healing cutting mat, and I've really enjoyed cutting my washi tape on it. I normally just tear the washi tape off, but it's kind of nice to be able to cut it precisely. So how are you doing? How has your day, your week, your month been? Should I even ask you that? It's 2020, so I know it's still going on, but guess what? We are almost out of 2020. We're almost to 2021, and the sky is the limit on how different that year could be, hopefully for the better. So I am just getting used to using these fountain pens, and every once in a while, I guess I press them too hard, or maybe, I don't know, maybe that's just that these are cheaper fountain pens and that occasionally they leak. But having some whiteout handy is important. So I really like the violet ink that Winsor Newton has. I think it's a really pretty color. I still think, for the most part, the Winsor Newton inks are pretty thin or light, but I still think they're pretty. And it's fun to use all the different colors. And today's video was a short one, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.